Hello guys, so in today's video I will walk you through my trade today, why I did take it, what was the problem with it, why did it lose, and things like that, why did I take it, yeah. So starting the day I was pretty bullish because we were inside this 4 hour gap and we had all of these highs, stacked highs here. So I wanted to see some sort of going up today to this highs after CPI. So market opened right here, and we are starting to pump. But before that, let me just do these. Okay, so market just opened here, and we had this 50-minute gap here. So I wanted to see it hold, and we did get retracement into it after market open. Where are we? Okay, and we did come back right here. Right. So, and then I wanted to see some sort of reaction out of it, and we did get that 2-minute inverse here. I did not take this. I don't know why. I was like kind of backing up because we were so early in market open, but this was the perfect setup. We had an SMT2 right here. Yeah, we did not take this low on the ES, and it was just perfect. But it would have got break even. Yeah, it says a lot of you guys took it. Stops like here and CPI there, and it just did not hit. And I was like, okay, we did leave those equal highs, and I think we will come back here a little bit later. And I was like, okay, I will wait. I will be patient. I will wait. And I did wait for 10 a.m. when we did get this big dump manipulation candle down here, and we end up going into this lower 15 minutes. It's pretty small, but it's there. And I was like, okay, we have a 5 minute here too, which is bigger, and we did test it. And we also had an SMT with ES. ES took out Asia lows here, and we were so far behind. I was thinking like, okay, we won't come back because we have this SMT low. It's protected, and we are in this 4 hour gap, and it's a protected low. I did think, but we had all of this low resistance, like equal lows, and I was like, okay, if I get an inverse here, I will try to long this because there's no way this fails, right? Because we have so much low resistance liquidity up here, and we have these equal highs. We just left a market open, and it's just a strong draw, in my opinion. And I was like super bullish because of it. Maybe I was wrong about that. I was wrong, obviously. And we did get an inverse here. We did inverse this 1 minute gap, right? And I was like, okay, it's pretty nice, beautiful V shape. I will try this. I did put my stops around here, and I was trying to target this size, like an easy 2R. And I did get in here, and it lose. I did not see a second of profit. It's kind of crazy. Uh, I guess it is what it is. It said I would take this setup again anytime because it did look perfect. We had a huge SMT. We did reject the 15 minute. We had a huge week out of it. We did reject the 5 minute. We had this all of this liquidity. I was thinking like, okay, we will take this break-even point easily, but we end up did not take it, and I got cooked here. I got cooked on one top step account, minus 200. I got cooked on two my funded futures account, minus 200 on both of them, and I did blow um, an apex seal too. So it is, yeah, it's blowable. It has not been the best 2 months for me. I guess I did have a lot of losing trades, but I guess this is just perfect, and I don't think I don't know why this is bad. I don't know, but it's okay. I guess we have to keep going. We have to take trades what we like, what we think it will be going the direction we want to, because I think this is perfect. This is A plus for me, and it failed. Maybe I should have waited. I should have faded this because we had these equal lows, but we had SMT. I don't know. I don't know, man. But we have to learn from it. Next time, I will. I'll probably take this trade the next time too, because I mean, this will just work 9 of 10 times, in my opinion, or 8 out of 10 times, but it will work in the most part. Uh, yeah, I did take this. After I got stopped out, I waited a little bit because as soon as we swept those lows, I wanted to see some sort of retracement here. I wanted to see this 5 minute get inverse off of the sweep, but we did not get it right here, and I think I hopped off like here, in my opinion. And it's a sad day, I guess. We had a good setup here, good inverse down here, but I was already off. Maybe I would have taken it if I was on the chart, but you never know. I hope you guys found this breakdown valuable. Uh, Leave a comment, leave your thoughts, leave your trade, like give me everything you got. Like, uh, what did you think about this trade? What did you take today? If you did take anything, if you got break even, write it down. How? Try to use my comment section as a journal. Like reflect on yourself, try to help each other, and things like that. I'm open to learning too. So hope you guys enjoy this video. I will see you in the next one. Peace, guys.